Hey all, welcome back to my channel. So how you all are doing? Well, my week is going good, but yeah, it is little hectic because my husband has to go office and Adi is also going to school, so I have to prepare the tiffin every day. I have to make breakfast and lunch both. Today I'm making kabli chana, chapati and matar rice. For making kabli chana, I have added 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and then I'll add the khada lal mirch, bay leaf and kali mirch, and after that I'm adding the chopped onion, and once it is sauteed for 3-4 minutes, then I'll add the tomatoes and masalas like coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and red chili powders. And after that I'm going to add the soaked kabli chana and then add the salt and water. Like lunch is ready and I have made the kabli chana, chapati and matar rice. So I'm going to pack the Adi tiffin. So this is packed. I have added the dry fruit and paratha and sabzi. And for my husband I have given the chapati, kabli chana and rice. So I'm also giving some snacks and fruits to my husband, and I'll keep the breakfast also in this bag. Done with my breakfast, and husband and Adi is off to the office and school. Recently, I have purchased this console table from local market, and so today I'm going to decorate this. I'm keeping the lantern. This is also from local market, and this small one is from Amazon. And after that, I'm going to keep one photo frame, and so this is from my husband office. He has got on Diwali occasion, and after that I'll add the planter. So once it is done, then I'll organize my living area and dining area. So a sofa is always messy and dining table too. So this is afternoon time and Adi is going to back in few minutes, and once it is back we are going to do the lunch. So recently I have purchased this container which has 6 small boxes, and like I'm going to use it. I'm going to store my daily essential veggies. So let's organize this small container. So I have keep all the handy veggies whatever I'm using in daily life. So first I am putting the tomato, then peeled onion, because we are going to consume it in 1-2 days. Then ginger, then this parsley leaves, carrot, and peeled garlic and green chilies. So see how beautiful this box is looking. uh, Now this is the evening time, and I'm going to make the snack. So today Adi asked me to make the French fries, so I'm making it in very normal way. First, I have cut it in thin slices. I've also tried to remove the starch as much as possible because it makes French fries more crispy. And this is fried, and I have added the salt, and Adi liked it very much. You can see his face reaction. So today I'm going to make the veggie soup. My husband told me that he's not going to do the dinner, he will just have soup. So I'm making veggies and oat flour soup. I will just take all the veggies whatever I have, like I have already frozen some vegetables, and this is the oat flour what I have made. And I am taking all the veggies. So you can see that I have taken onion, ginger, carrot, tomato, cauliflower, peas, parsley, whatever veggies I have. So let's prepare the soup. So first I'm adding the butter and then adding the ginger, garlic, and once it is sauteed for a few seconds, then I'll add the chopped onion, carrot, tomato, uh, and rest veggies also. So once this is sauteed for like 1 minute only, then I'm going to add the black pepper powder and salt and oat flour. And once it is cooked for 1 minute only, then I'll add the green chili and water, and let's sit for 2 minutes. You can see the texture. So this is looking thick because I have added the oats flour. So this recipe is like instant and tasty, you can try it. So once it is done, I'm going to saute this paneer. Now husband is back from office and we are going to do the dinner. Hope you have liked the recipes. Please try it and let me know in the comment section that how much you have liked the and which one recipe you have liked. So meet you in another video, and if you like my video then please like and subscribe to my channel.